Greetings, fellow maker. You've got Bill
and Britt from Punished Props Academy. You know us from the hundreds of prop and costume tutorial videos we've put out over the past decade.
Of course, we're still making all of those videos over there on the Punished Props channel, but we have been exploring 3D printing a lot lately, and we wanted to do more with that.
Thus, GizmoThrill was born. We're both competent 3D modelers and wanted to start a new venture where we could refine those skills and make new original designs to share with other 3D printing enthusiasts.
We're obsessed with 3D printing fun model kits and putting them together. There's something about that assembly that feels like building a new Lego kit on Christmas morning. So we started designing 3D printable kits that deliver that experience to anyone who's got an FDM 3D printer.
Right now, all of our new models are available on our Printables page. You'll find a bunch of our free 3D print files, along with this free Scooter the Tugboat model that you can try out to get a feel for the kinds of kits we want to design. If you like it, you can join our club and get access to all of our exclusive models.
Members will get a new original kit to print every single month. Each kit comes with an assembly video to guide you through the process, as well as written instructions with additional information.
We've been having a ton of fun coming up with models that are not only fun to put together, but also have playable features like moving mechanical parts. For example, Scooter has a ratcheting winch, a door, and moving rudder and propeller. We also currently have a working padlock, treasure chest, and a toy forklift.
We've been having just a ton of fun designing these 3D printable kits for you to play with, and you're gonna have even more fun printing, assembling, and playing with them yourself. You can find out more over on our Printables page and join our membership to get access to all of these models. Thanks so much for playing.